How to connect your computer to the internet using your cell phone, for Windows. If you want to use your phone's 3G connection on your Windows PC, called tethering, here's a basic outline for what you'll need to do. Steps. 1. Connect your phone to the computer. If both devices have Bluetooth, use that. If your phone has Bluetooth but your computer does not, consider getting a Bluetooth adapter for your computer. Or, you can get a cord to connect them, which is what you'll need to do if neither of the devices have Bluetooth. 2. Set up the network connection. Android phones. 1. Download the PDNet Android application on your phone and computer. It costs $30. 2. Tap a button to start PDNet on the phone. 3. Click Connect in the PDNet on your computer.